Happy weekend, my dear. Oh, hello. Wow, you're
Hello,
so
teacher.
beautiful.
Thank you, teacher.
Wow, happy weekend.
Yes.
Welcome to my class. Can
Yes.
you see teacher clearly?
Yes. I
Uh,
see clearly.
Okay, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Wow, so my name is Teacher Anne, and I'll be your teacher for today. Okay, my hobbies. Hmm, my hobbies are watching dramas and reading stories. How about you? What's your
Um,
name?
Honestly, I'm 21 years old.
Uh-huh.
Now, I am living in Korea.
Right now?
Yes. I am studying law abroad. Yeah.
Wow. So what's your name?
My name is Me. And
Me.
my.
Am I? Wow, my dear me. It's nice
Uh,
to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow. So, my dear, uh, what are your hobbies?
Um, now, teacher, can you
Uh-huh.
say again?
What are your hobbies, my dear? What do you
Um,
usually do, especially when you have a free time?
in my free time, I
Mhm.
often play badminton and
Okay, I
and
can hear you well.
I sleep.
Wow, so you sleep most of the time?
Yes, because Korea I have to study and doing part-time job, so I don't have I don't have much time to give for me.
I see. But for example, my dear, before sleeping, what do you usually do? Do you watch dramas?
Oh, drama? Oh,
Mhm.
I don't like watching movie.
Wow! Why, my dear?
I don't know. Just I don't like.
You just don't like it?
As,
How about reading books? Do you like reading books?
reading book.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I just reading Doraemon. Doraemon. Do you know?
Doraemon?
Yes.
Ah, Doraemon. Okay.
Uh,
So, reading books about Doraemon?
oh, yes. I don't often reading book.
Ah, we're the same, my dear. I don't like reading books. It's kind of boring, right?
Yes. So asleep.
I see. How about using your phones and then you watch videos, random videos on TikTok, Facebook?
TikTok. TikTok. I often watch TikTok.
Ah, TikTok videos.
Yes.
Wow. Do you have TikTok account?
Mm, yes. I often watch that.
But do you post videos on TikTok or do you just watch videos?
Uh, hmm. I I often watch TikTok when uh, after I finish work, part-time work.
I
Yes.
see.
Now, now I have a take a rest, take a rest. I don't have to study in school.
Oh, wow. So you study from Monday to Friday?
No. Now this part. time
Mhm.
I take a rest in winter. Winter.
Ah, winter. Wow.
Because because in Korea so cold. Yeah, so
Oh,
I can't go to school.
I see. But where are you now in Korea? Are you in Seoul?
I know Daegu,
Je- Jeju?
Ani, ah,
Ah, Ani.
Daegu.
Ani ah. Ani ah.
I,
Ani.
uh,
I like
because
that. Wow.
because I have to study two language, so sometimes I I miss between two language
Wow, but imagine you are learning Korean language
and
and
English.
English at the same
Yes,
time.
yes.
You're so
So
bright. I can do that.
oh,
Oh,
so
but
difficult.
I really want to learn Korean language. Can you say simple language, simple sentences or phrases like "How are you today" in Korean?
Oh, it's right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, in Korea,
Mm-hmm.
in Korea.
Uh-huh.
Uh, I I think I don't know. Actually, I had gone to their for for 4 months now.
I see. 4 months.
Yes.
Okay. So
Uh,
what are the words that you know in Korea, my dear? Korean language. Like
so
안녕? 안녕?
안녕하세요.
Ah, 안녕하세요. Wow.
Yeah.
Or
Hello.
주소입니다. Right? Right? 주소입니다.
안녕하세요. Yeah.
How about 주소입니다? I'm not sure about the pronunciation. Ah, 미안해? 미안해? Am I
Oh,
right?
no, no. Yes, yes, right, right.
네. 아, 네. That is yes, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh. Wow, I really like how you respond in Korean language.
Did you go to Korea?
But I want to.
I think the in autumn at here, so very nice. Because
Oh.
I think this weather in autumn is so comfortable and food food. I think food in Korea so delicious.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah,
Like,
so like
mm,
uh cold noodle, you know.
cold noodles.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. Or udon.
no, same
Ah.
udon udon.
But what's your favorite food that you can eat it every day? Like you
Uh,
want to eat it every day.
Actually, the first time when I go to when I come to Korea, I I feel like I don't feel like available for food at here.
I
So
see.
so I uh, so I have to cook Vietnamese food.
Oh no! Wow. Okay, so what happened after that?
No, it's just I think I need more time to uh to community or at here or live at here.
Oh, I see. So, what food, what Vietnamese food did you cook when
Mm,
you?
yes.
Is it pho?
Mm. I uh,
Mm-hmm.
little I will cook myself. In the evening, I will eat in in restaurant.
I see. Okay, but are you living alone or do you live with your parents?
I live with my best two friends.
Ah, wow. Are they Vietnamese too?
Yes, Vietnamese.
Oh, so I think it's really good to be in Korea. Oh, I really wish I could go there as well.
Uh,
But oh, do you love Korean dramas?
hmm, no, I don't know.
Oh, so what is the reason why you want to work in Korea?
I I think in Korea is the best environment to study
Oh, I
and
see.
to improve my Korean
I see. But
because in Vietnam I used to study Korean, so I want to go Korea to improve and uh, and study many in the future.
I see. But have you seen an artist or a celebrity in Korea? Like, have you seen an artist or a celebrity in Korea like Lee Jung Suk, Lee Min Ho?
No, no, I don't see because I I don't have interest in like
Ah, wow, you're one of a kind. You are unique because other people want to visit Korea just to see a celebrity. Mm.
oh I think uh in at promo
Mhm.
or in Korea. Oh, quite beautiful, but because it's so tall and has your body so nice.
Do you gym? Do
Gym,
you
yes,
exercise?
yes. Oh, gym. I think they will do gym. Any to your yeah body is so nice.
Oh, wow. Sexy, right? They want to be sexy or yeah, it's good. And it's healthy for your body.
Body,
Uh-huh.
body.
Uh-huh. It's healthy for your body to exercise. But the most important, my dear, you need to drink plenty of water.
Oh, water.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because it's so in Korea in winter and here it's dry, so dry. Because they they drink many water, many hot water.
Oh, so do you drink plenty of water?
Yes.
Ah.
Actually, I don't like drinking water because I have to drink because
No!
it's so dry.
My dear, you need to drink plenty of water because it's healthy for your body.
Yes.
Okay, so don't forget that. So are you now ready for our class, my dear me?
Yes, yes,
Okay, so today we will be learning Unit 1,
yes,
Unit 1, Level 3 about personal information. Can you see the screen or my slide or the slide,
yes.
my dear?
I see.
Uh,
I see.
okay, so can you read the first unit?
Oh, unit one, personal information.
Nice, very good. Personal information. Okay, so we have here objectives. Can you read, my dear?
Hmm. I have read. I have to read.
Yes, can you please read? Okay,
Vocabulary, phrase, reading, and discussion.
nice, very good. Phrases. Can you say it one more time?
Uh, vocabulary, phrase, reading, and discussion.
Wow, good job. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Phrases.
Phrase,
Nice, with S, my dear. Phrases.
phrases.
Nice. Wow, you're so good. Okay, very good. So, for the first one, we have here vocabulary. So, for the first picture, my dear, can you describe what can you see?
Oh, I can see
Mm-hmm. Can you
was
describe?
the first photo.
Yes, the first photo or the first picture.
Family and
Oh,
this house.
I
So
can see.
I I I I don't know the true photo. I don't know.
Okay, I'll give you an example, my dear. For example, I can see a dog and the mother, the father, their children, and the grandfather, the grandmother, and I think they are family.
Mm, countryside, countryside.
Oh,
Ah, hometown, hometown.
hometown. The first picture, my dear.
Oh, the fourth is family.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, wow, family, good job. But here's the twist, my dear. We have here the twist. Can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word family?
Oh,
Can you make a simple sentence like, I have
uh,
a family here in Korea? Something like
oh,
that, my dear.
oh. My family has a six people, right?
Mm, yes, my family.
Has six people.
Very good. My family has 6 people.
Yes.
Oh, 6 people. Okay, so it's correct, my dear. Or you can say there are 6 people in my family.
My family. Oh, oh.
Ah, okay. Can you say it one more time, my dear?
Mm. I
Mm.
example. I think I'm living in Korea, but my family is in Vietnam.
Oh, very good. Nice. I like that, my dear. Good job.
Mm.
Okay. So, next, my dear, what can you see in the second picture?
I think it's countryside or hometown.
Yes, very good. But can you first describe what can you see in the picture? Do you think is
Mm.
it daytime?
It's
Do you think is it daytime?
evening.
Daytime? Oh, yes, very good. Evening. Oh. And can you see river, my dear?
river,
Oh,
moon,
yes.
moon,
Yes, very good.
four, house, sea, and rat.
Oh, very good. Yay. Good job, my dear. So, I can see many trees, buildings, and shining, shimmering, splendid stars.
Nice, nice,
Yes, stars. How about this one, my dear?
moon.
Moon. Wow, very good. So your answer is correct. Good job. Hometown. Okay, so can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word hometown?
Uh,
Can you make a simple sentence, my dear, using the
uh, uh,
vocabulary?
I I my hometown is famous for a beautiful landscape and delicious food.
Wow, good job. See, you can make sentences, my dear. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Good job. Yay. Okay, next picture, my dear. What can you see?
Yes, hey, the first photo I think work.
Very good. What is he doing, my dear?
Uh, I I think he is uh, using using computer
Wow.
to work.
Ah, wow, good job. Very good. And what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
Work.
Our work. Let's see if your answer is correct. Wow, very good work. Yes, correct. Okay,
Uh,
so can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word work?
yes, uh, work hard
Ah, yes, work hard.
is hmm, he is so he he work hard work hard.
Yes, very good, my dear. Can you make a simple sentence using the word work?
Mm, I think ah I have
Okay.
to work. I have to work in early tomorrow.
I see. I have to work early tomorrow.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Very good, my dear. What time do you usually wake up in the morning? 10 a.m., 9 a.m.
nine a.m.
Ah, I see. It's okay, my dear. But what time do you usually sleep at night?
I sleep so late, so at 3 a.m.
Wow! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You slept for 6 hours only?
It's because I have to do part-time job, so I sleep
Nice.
so late.
Oh no. So, what time do you take your job? Or is it from
I
10 p.m.
um
to 3 a.m.?
I have to do from 6 p.m. to uh 1 a.m.
I see. Wow. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So 7
a.m.
hours. You need to work for 7 hours, right? Eight?
Okay. Eight
8 hours.
hours.
Wow.
so tired.
So you're tired. Is
Because
it
I
every day?
just 1 month I will take a rest 2 days.
I see. So what's your day off, my dear?
2 weeks. I 2 weeks I will take a rest at Tuesday on Tuesday.
I see on Tuesday. Every Tuesday you don't have a work.
No, 2 weeks 2 weeks a day.
I see. So for 2 weeks you have one day off.
Yes,
Mm. So for a month you have 2 days off.
yes. 2 weeks I will take off a day.
Wow. Okay. So what do you do in the morning if you have work at night? What do you usually do in the morning?
People it it in the semester in the morning I have
Uh-huh.
to go to school
I
and
see.
sometimes I have to do study in afternoon or if I have free time I will sleep.
Sleep is very important.
So it's important.
Oh, yes. So you are tired every day.
At
Hmm.
home.
Okay. It's okay, my dear, but do you work at a restaurant?
A restaurant, I do work at PBQ restaurant.
Ah,
Oh,
barbecue?
many customer.
Barbecue, my dear?
Yes,
Okay, can
PBQ.
you barbecue, right?
Yes. Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes.
okay, barbecue. Oh,
Oh,
I see.
barbecue.
Oh, so you grill the pork?
I, I have, I am waiter,
Ah, okay. Waitress, because you're a girl?
and and I have to do yes,
The dishes?
washing this, yes.
Oh,
I
no! So you are very tired every day. So you grill the pork, you serve the customer, you wash the dishes.
yes.
Hmm. Oh no.
Because I um I have to pay expense in Korea myself, so I have
Mm.
to do part-time job.
Oh, I see. So is it hard, my dear, for you to live in Korea?
I
Or
just
is it hard or just normal?
I, because I just go to Korea for 4 months.
Mhm.
So I choose myself in study. I don't still ever study English. I the first semester I still study Korean.
Oh, so that's why you go to school to study Korean language?
Yes.
Oh.
Resist I resist this English course because I have to prepare English
Oh.
before or before I study major.
Oh, I see. So you are a busy person.
Oh, so busy.
And you don't have a time to watch dramas.
confusing. I don't know. I balance. I but sometimes I don't balance. To between work and study.
Ah, I see. So sometimes it's hard, right, to balance
Yes.
your time. But you are doing great. Because
I don't know.
despite of everything, despite of your work, your busy schedule, you can still smile and you are enjoying your life. I like your smile, my dear. It
Thank you,
brightens,
teacher.
yeah, it brightens up the atmosphere. And I like your pink headphone or
Pink.
headset. Yeah,
Yes,
pink.
I like pink
Yes, wow, we're the same. My favorite color is pink as well. Just
uh,
like just like a pink.
because I I think I is so young.
Oh. Yes, it's so wonderful to have a companion just like your friends, right?
Mm, in every I have to start with Korea or Korean. Oh, just have I have me
Mm-hmm.
is horizon in class.
Can you say it one more time, my dear?
Yeah, in
Okay.
in my class
Okay.
have me
Uh-huh.
just have me is is horizon
For
uh,
reasons.
horizon in my class or or person is Korean.
I see. So you are the first person who isn't a Korean?
Oh, just have a Vietnamese.
Mm-hmm.
Vietnamese is me.
I see. Wow. Have oh, do you have a friend who is a Filipino?
Yes, no,
A Phil Do you have a friend who is a Filipino or who lives in the Philippines?
no. Oh, in my school, Philippines, don't have Philippines. I have a Myanmar friend.
Oh, wow.
It's so
So,
nice.
how about Singaporean or German?
Singapore, don't have Singapore. Is Myanmar, uh, Myanmar, Korea, and Chinese. I think that
I see.
ah,
Like,
Uzbekistan, Russia.
oh, wow. Are they girls, my dear, or there are boys in your class?
Mm. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't interested in.
I see. Can you say it? I'm not interested. So, I see. I think you are an introvert. Do you know that?
Yeah,
Introvert? Do you know that, my dear? Introvert? Introvert type of person?
introvert.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. Sorry. Please let me.
Okay. It's okay, my dear. You can search the word.
Ah, ah,
I.
silent, right?
Can you say it
Silent,
again?
silent,
Island?
silent.
Thailand?
I think I am silent person.
Silent.
Yes,
Oh, I see. Yeah. But I like that one. The silent type of person.
because um I don't know. Sometimes I In my school, after finish the class, I come back my home and I don't like him. I don't like stay with other person.
Oh, I see. So you don't like socializing with other people?
Because I scared. I
Can you
scared.
say it?
I don't know.
You are scared, my dear?
Maybe I just go to Korea. and I feel like uncomfortable
Ah, uncomfortable.
because don't have many Vietnamese people in here.
I see. So it's good, my dear. You are conscious of your surroundings.
Um, and stressful. Because the area is countryside,
I
so
see.
don't have many restaurants.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's okay, my dear. That's a good uh, idea to separate yourself sometimes, or yeah, because you need to keep your distance away from them.
Yes,
And
it's
it's good to sleep on
yes.
your bed.
Don't know. I don't have many time, so I don't sleep.
For example, my dear, you are stressed. For example, I can't take it anymore. I'm so stressed. Okay, what do you usually do when you feel like you're stressed?
Mm, I don't know. Now I don't think this.
Do you sleep when you feel like you're stressed?
Yes. Mm, I at season two I like. Mm, I like. Sometimes I will starting new words.
Ah,
New
new
words.
words.
It's like it's
Wow! New vocabulary words?
yes because what pronunciation is not good.
Your
Yes.
pronunciation? Oh, no,
It's
you're doing great, my dear. I like your pronunciation.
Oh, I think it's not good.
No, you're doing great. I'm so proud of you because you're doing great in class. Okay.
Thank
Just
you.
just be confident in your abilities and your skills, Miss Dear. You have a great future. I can see it.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. So next, my dear, what can you see in the picture?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yes. What's this, my dear?
Uh, I think book and computer.
Yes, computer. Very
A girl, and a boy.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
What is
picture.
she doing, my dear?
She is using computer laptop.
Oh, laptop. Very good. And where is she sitting? Or what?
She book.
How would
It
you,
is
my dear?
sitting.
Yes. Can you sit on the books?
Uh, uh, yes,
That's
she
not a
is
normal
sitting
chair. Uh-huh.
as same chair. She is the book as a chair.
Yes, how about you, my dear? Can you do that as well?
Mm, book,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Uh-huh.
Book, right?
Yes, books. Very good. Can you do can you do that as well, my dear?
Oh, books.
Yes,
Oh,
books. Okay, so what's the vocabulary word, my dear me? What do you think is the vocabulary word?
oh, study.
Okay, wow, study. Good job. Okay, so can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word study, my dear?
Uh, I need I need to study for uh exam tomorrow.
Wow, very good. Yes, you really need to study so that you will get a high score.
Okay.
Good job. Wow, very good, my dear. Okay, next. What can you see here, my dear?
So is draw to passport.
Hmm.
Bye bye.
Oh, yes. What
Hmm.
is she doing, my dear? Look.
Jump, jump,
Yes, it's a jumping rope.
jumping.
Ah,
Oh,
yes.
oh.
Jumping rope.
Favorite, favorite.
Mm.
Yeah, jumping rope.
Mm. Okay.
Is the call is listen music.
Okay, what's the vocabulary word, my dear? Can you guess the vocabulary word?
I think favorite. Oh no no no. Hobby, hobby.
Ah, wow. Okay, so the vocabulary word is hobby. Very good. Okay, can you make a sentence using the vocabulary word hobby, my dear?
Uh, he has new. He is collecting stamp,
Oh, collecting
stamp,
stamp.
stamp, stamp.
Okay,
S
can you?
T A M P.
I see. Wow. How about your favorite hobby were when you were in high school, my dear? What was your hobby when you were in high school?
My hobby in high school is uh um take a photo with my friends. And
Wow. And
I I I take a I like drawing. I like drawing.
oh wow.
You see?
Oh, did you do that, my dear?
Yes. I
Wow.
draw myself. Yes.
Wow, you're so good. I can do that. I'm not good at arts.
Uh, I
Wow.
I just draw in when I have free time. Now
Wow. It looks real, my dear.
thank
Oh,
you.
you're so good. I'll rate it 100 over 10. Yes. Oh no. You can be a great artist in the future with that kind of talent. Ooh.
Talent.
So I think, oh, how about selling your artworks, my dear?
I don't know. So I don't know.
For example, someone would ask you, "Can you draw my face?" And then you will tell them the price of that
I
artwork.
I I receive money from my teacher, right?
Oh, yes, of course, because you have a great talent.
Oh,
Mm.
now I know.
Yes, because I thought it's real. The color, everything is very good. Mm.
Thank you.
I wish I can do that as well.
Yes,
And wow, is that your friend with your
that's
picture,
right.
my dear? Mm-hmm. Best
Ah,
friends? Are
this
they your best friends?
that's
Wow.
right. This, I often collect these two things. This like
Ah, wow. I
uh,
see. So you
I
like collecting?
this,
Ah, wow. That's
I like
good.
two things.
Creating memories?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. And after, for example, 10 years or 20 years, you can look back to those pictures and then you will say, oh, so this is how I look like when I was young.
I have the same memory from the photo.
Mm, yes. And I think you are beautiful when you were young, right? I think you're beautiful when you were young.
Actually, in this year,
Uh-huh.
I am 22 years old.
Oh, I thought you are just 18 because you're young. You look
Thank you,
so
teacher.
young. That's why I keep on saying my dear because you look like an 18-year-old girl with a cute smile and a bright
Uh,
face. Okay. So how speaking of smile, look at this, my dear. Okay, what can you see in the picture?
to teacher, I think, uh, you,
Mhm.
you know,
Smile, sad,
uh,
scared.
personality,
Oh, okay.
personality, right?
Personality.
Yeah, yes.
Ah, okay. Personality. Let's see if your answer is correct. Wow. I think you will get a perfect score here. Personality. Very good. Wow. Okay, can you make a sentence, my dear, using the vocabulary word personality?
I say, she has very warm personality.
Wow, she has a very warm personality, right? Is that what you
Right?
said, my dear?
Right? Yes.
She has a warm.
Uh, she
Wow,
has
very
a very warm
person.
personality.
Yes, very good. Just like you, my dear, you have a warm personality. Good. Okay. Meaning, my dear, friendly, kind, and approachable.
Friendly.
Uh-huh. Friendly, meaning you are friendly, kind,
Oh,
and
right.
approachable. Approachable. Oh, approachable. This one. Can you see it in the chat box, Miss Year? Oh, I can see and hear you, my dear. Hello, my dear, can you hear me? Hello, my dear. I think I can't hear you and I can't see you. Can you hear me, my dear? Hello, my dear. Can you hear me? I can't hear you, my dear. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't see you. Where are you? Where are you? Hello, my dear. Can you hear me? Oh, I can hear you now. Hi, I can hear you. Hello, my dear. Hello, my dear. I can't hear you. Oh no. Hello, how about now, my dear? Hello.